Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dash cameras have become an essential car accessory in 2026. Whether it's for accident evidence, parking protection, or daily driving safety, a good dash cam can save you time, money, and stress. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress 2026, featuring 4K recording, night vision, GPS tracking, parking mode, and OEM factory-style designs for specific car models. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start the list. Number 1. Fitcamx 4K Dashcam for Porsche models. This Fitcamx 4K dashcam is specially designed for Porsche models including Cayenne, Macan, 911, Taycan, Panamera, and 718 Boxster and Cayman. It features true 4K video recording, built-in Wi-Fi, and wireless app control. The biggest highlight is its OEM factory look, which blends perfectly with the interior. This dashcam is perfect for Porsche owners who want high-end quality without ruining the interior aesthetics. The camera installs directly into the factory housing area, making it almost invisible. Video quality is sharp and detailed, even at highway speeds. Night recording is clear, and the Wi-Fi app allows easy video access on your phone. Pros: true 4K ultra-clear video, OEM factory-style design, wireless Wi-Fi app control, excellent night vision, no hanging wires or bulky mounts. If you own a Porsche and want a premium, factory-looking dashcam with excellent video quality, this Fitcamx model is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 2. eAce 3.2-inch Portable Mini 4K Car DVR. This eAce Mini dashcam features a compact 3.2-inch display, front 4K recording, optional Sony 2.5K rear camera, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and 24-hour parking monitoring with WDR support. This is a great all-round dashcam for drivers who want strong features at a reasonable price. The GPS tracks speed and location, while the WDR technology balances light in bright and dark conditions. The parking monitor keeps your car protected even when the engine is off. Pros: affordable 4K dashcam, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, optional high-quality rear camera, 24H parking monitor, compact and portable design. For budget-friendly users who still want GPS, 4K recording, and parking protection, the eAce Mini dashcam offers excellent value in 2026. Number 3. Fitcamx 4K dashcam for Kia EV6 and EV6 GT. This Fitcamx dashcam is designed specifically for Kia EV6 and EV6 GT models from 2022 to 2025. It records in 4K, supports Wi-Fi app control, night vision, and works for both LHD and RHD vehicles. Just like other Fitcam models, this one focuses on seamless integration. Installation is clean, and the camera looks like a factory-installed part. Video quality is sharp during the day and reliable at night. The app makes it easy to manage footage without removing the memory card. Pros: perfect OEM fit for Kia EV6, high-quality 4K video, clean and hidden installation, app control via Wi-Fi, strong night performance. If you drive a Kia EV6 and want a dashcam that looks factory-installed while delivering sharp video, this Fitcamx model is a top choice. Number 4. BEPOCAM 4K 360-degree dashcam ZD88. The BEPOCAM ZD88 is a 4-channel dashcam system offering full 360-degree coverage. It includes front, rear, left, and right cameras, 4K recording, GPS, Wi-Fi app control, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode with WDR. This is a powerful dashcam for maximum security. With 4 cameras recording simultaneously, blind spots are almost completely eliminated. It is ideal for city driving, taxis, and parking protection. The app interface allows real-time viewing and easy video playback. Pros: full 360-degree 4-channel recording, excellent for parking surveillance, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, strong night vision, ideal for accident evidence. If full coverage and maximum security are your priorities, the BEPOCAM 4-channel dashcam is one of the most advanced options available on AliExpress in 2026. Number 5. 4K dashcam for Volkswagen Golf MK7, MK7.5, and MK8, 2015 to 2025. This 4K dashcam is designed specifically for Volkswagen Golf, Golf R, and Golf GTI models from 2015 to 2025. It features OEM-style design, high-resolution video recording, and seamless integration into the vehicle interior. Volkswagen owners will appreciate how clean this dashcam looks after installation. There are no dangling wires, and it blends perfectly with the car's interior. Video clarity is sharp, and it performs well in both daytime and low-light conditions. Pros: OEM factory-style look, designed specifically for Volkswagen Golf models. Clear 4K video quality, clean and discreet installation, reliable daily performance. For Volkswagen drivers who want a simple, clean, and reliable dashcam, this model offers excellent quality without compromising the car's interior design. Choosing the right dashcam in 2026 depends on your car model, budget, and security needs. If you want a factory-style premium look, Fitcamx models are the best option. For budget users, the EACE Mini offers great value, and for maximum protection, the BEPOCAM 360 dashcam stands out. All product links are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more top tech reviews.